Welcome to the online classes. Today's our chapter is money. Chapter 9 money. Let's recall. Money is found as currency notes and coins. So how is our money? Currency notes and coins. In India, rupees are written as, see the symbol, and paise are written as P. Okay. In India, our rupees are written as the symbol and paise is written as P. Okay, currency notes are used to represent rupees and coins. Okay, our currency notes used to rupees and coins are used to represent the rupees and paise. Okay, Ananya has to buy some craft materials for her class. She has 50 rupees. How much she has? She has 50 rupees. Mark a tick in the box if she can buy the given items or cross if she cannot. Okay. She is having 50 rupees and whether she can buy all the items or not. If she can buy the item, you have to put a tick mark. If she cannot buy, you have to put a cross mark. Okay. See here, this stickers 11 rupees, ribbons 24 rupees, glue 28 rupees, this woolen balls 10 rupees, buttons 5 rupees and colors 32 rupees. Okay. Then, so here see, colors 32 rupees. Stickers and colors. See here, stickers and colors. Stickers 11 rupees, colors 32 rupees. Stickers how much? 11 rupees plus colors 32 rupees. So after adding this, 30 plus 10 is 40, 41, 42, 43 rupees. So can she buy, Ananya can buy can take these two items? Yes, because she is having 50 rupees. It's becoming only 43 rupees if she buy both. So she can buy it. Okay, then put a tick mark here. Ribbon, glue and pom-pom. Ribbons. How much is ribbons? 24 rupees. Glue is 28 rupees. And pom-poms 10 rupees. Okay, ribbons plus glue plus pom-pom. How much is this? 20 plus 20 plus 10. 24 plus 28 plus 10. So how much it will become? 24 plus 28 will become 40. 50 rupees here only. And this 10, 60 rupees. So can she buy with 50 rupees? 60 rupees is more, no? So she cannot buy these three items. Okay. Then colors. How much is the color? 32 rupees. Ribbons 24 rupees plus buttons 5 rupees. 30 plus 20 is 50, 54, 55, 56 plus 5, 61 rupees. So can she buy these three items? No, because she is having only 50 rupees. So she can't buy these three items. Then stickers 11 rupees, glue 28 rupees and pom-pom is 10 rupees. So how much it will become? 10, 20, 30, 40, 48, 49. 49 rupees. 49 rupees means it is less than 50 rupees. So these three items she can buy. Okay. Then what we have next? Currency. Every country has its own currency system. Okay, every country is having our own currency system. For example, in India it is rupees. In Japan it is yen. In America it is US dollars. In Britain it is pound and Bangladesh it is taka. Okay, different countries will have their own currency. So we have different currency for different countries. India rupees, Japan yen, America dollars, Britain pound, Bangladesh taka. Okay, see our currency. You have already seen our currency. You know about our currency, no? You can see you know about our notes and coins. A currency note or a coin can be shown by different combinations of notes or coins. For example, see for 5 rupees we can take 2 rupee coin, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 1 rupee coins, 1 5 rupee coin, or 1 5 rupee note, or 1 5 rupee coin, or all 1 1 rupee coins, or 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin. In this different way we can have a different combination of the coins. Similarly, rupees 50 can have 10 coins of 5 or 5 coins of 10. Okay. Circle the coins you will need in column B to make the amount given in column A. See here, 50 rupees. For 50 rupees, how many 10 rupees we have to take? See, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, we don't need this because we need only 50. So 10 rupees, 5 coins are enough. And 10 rupees. To make 10 rupees, how many coins? 2 5 rupee coins are enough. Okay, 2 5 rupee coins we can take. Then for 20 rupees, you can take 2 10 rupee coins. 10, 10, 20. And for 5 rupees, what we have to take? 2 rupees, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again for 20 rupees, here 10 rupee 1 coin, and 5 plus 5, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 coins we can take. Okay, in this way we have different combination of the coins. Okay, we can have different combination of the coins or the notes for making the given currency. If we go to the shop, we will buy anything and we have to take the change and come back. In this way we can make the different combination of the coins. Okay, now turn the page 160. Match the currency notes with the correct combination of coins. Here the coins are given like this. See, 2 rupees. Where is 2 rupees here? See here, 50 paise, 50 paise, 50 paise, 50 paise. Means 4 50 paise coins will make 2 rupees. So just match it. Then 5 rupees. Where is 5 rupees? See here, 1 rupee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Match. Then 10 rupees. Is this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then 20 rupees, 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is for your homework. Match this. Then what we have? Addition and subtraction of paise. This is also the same like what we have learnt in our addition and subtraction. But only thing is that you have to write the paise or rupees along with the addition or subtraction. See here, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, in this way you have to do. And in the same way, 3 digits, 0 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 will make 90. So it is 90 paise. Okay, in this way you have to do. So in the same way, subtract also. 45 paise minus 35 paise. 90 paise minus 25 paise. Same subtraction also can be done in the same way. Okay, now 60 paise plus 25 paise. Add 0 in the mind, 5 on a finger means 5 only. 6 in the mind, 2 on a finger. After 6, 7, 8. 85 paise. Okay, 85 paise. Then 35, 3, 5, 35 plus 4, 5, 45. 5 in the mind, 5 on a finger. 5 in the mind, 5 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 1 carry. 0, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 in the mind, 4 on a finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how much it became? 80 paise. Now here, 70 70 minus 10. 70 paise minus 10 paise. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 0 minus 0 is 0 only, and after 1 till 7 you have to count. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60 paise. Okay. Then 55. 5, 5, 55 minus 2, 0, 20. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. And after 2, 3, 4, 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? 3. 35 paise. Then this is addition. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. 5 in the mind, 3 on a finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 85 paise. This is subtraction. 5 minus 5. 5, cut 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And after 1 till 7. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 paise. 75 minus 15 paise is 60 paise. Okay. 25 paise plus 65 paise will be how much? 90 paise. Then 75 minus 35 paise will be 40 paise. Okay. Addition and subtraction of rupees. So this is also in the same way we have to do it. So till now, till here you have to complete. So in our next class we will meet with the next pages. Have a good day.